Making speech come alive, the art of using quotation marks in direct speech. Hello everyone. Welcome to another engaging session on English Grammar Fundamentals. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of punctuation, using quotation marks in direct speech. Specifically, we will focus on the subtopic, punctuation within direct speech. By the end of this video, you'll be much more confident in punctuating dialogue in your writing. So, let's jump right in. Firstly, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what quotation marks and direct speech are. Quotation marks are those little inverted commas, either single or double, that we use to mark the beginning and end of a direct quotation. For instance, direct speech is when we report the exact words someone has said. Consider this sentence: Tom said, "I am going to the store." In this case, "I am going to the store" is the direct speech and is set off by quotation marks. Now, let's move on to the main event: how to use punctuation within direct speech. The general rule is that all punctuation marks that belong to the speech should be placed within the quotation marks. For instance, he said, "I am going to the store." In this sentence, the period is inside the quotation marks because it's part of the direct speech. Similarly, if the direct speech is a question, the question mark should be inside the quotation marks. She asked, "Are you going to the store?" While the rule mentioned above generally holds true, there are some exceptions. If the main sentence continues after the quoted speech, don't end the quoted speech with a period, even if it's the end of a sentence in the original speech. For example, "I am going to the store," Tom said. Here, the comma replaces the period of the original speech because the main sentence continues after the quoted speech. And that wraps up our session on using punctuation within direct speech. We hope this has given you a clearer understanding of how to use quotation marks in direct speech correctly. Remember, as with all things related to language learning, practice is key. Try writing some sentences using direct speech and applying the rules we've discussed today. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep practicing and keep learning.